Hi guys, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech Chat. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I am going to show you the process that you can move any of application or program that you have installed on your PC to another PC without changing anything on that program which you have configured in your PC. Which means you can get a perfect backup of the application which already on your PC, and you can move that application to another operating system without changing anything on that program. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, firstly you need to download and install this issues to do PC trans application on your PC. You can download this application from the given link in the description of this video, and I am not going to guide you to the process of setting up of this application because it's too easy to setting up on any PC. So just launch this application and allow for administration access. Now when it comes to here, you need to go to this backup and restore option, then click on start, then click later. Now click on next again and select the path where that you are going to and planning to place your backup files. In my case, I'm pasting my backup files to this location because I'm using this VirtualBox, which means I can easily show you the process that you can move application between two operating systems. But you can change the location of this backup folder from clicking on this option, and you can select another location as your backup folder, then click on confirm and select the application which you want to take a backup from this system. So guys, I am going to move these applications from this system to Windows 7. Now click on this backup option. Okay guys, now I have successfully backed up all the application which I have already installed on my current PC, and I am going to move these files into my new operation system which I have installed on my PC as a second OS on inside of VirtualBox. You can move these files also into another PC and install on that PC also, but in this case I am using this VirtualBox because it's very easy for me to make this tutorial. So here I have saved my all the files in this location. Here is the backup file that I have created now. Now I'm going to restore this backup file in my VirtualBox and see whether if I can do this or not. Firstly, I need to open this folder and get a copy of the backup file to my VirtualBox. Here is the backup file. If you are doing this on second PC in the first time, you need to install and configure this issues to do PC trans application on your second PC also. In this case, I am not going to do that because I have already done. Now click here to run this application. Now click on this backup and restore option on issues PC trans application. Then you need to click on start option, then click on this data restore window and click on next again and select the folder where you have saved the backup files. Here is the backup file that I have moved from my original system now. Then click on open, then click on restore option. when it comes to here, you can see all the application that you have already backed up. Then select the application which you want to restore onto your new system. Then click on restore option and just wait until completing of this restoration process. Okay guys, let's see whether we have successfully restored all of our application. Let's try to open internet download manager and WinRAR. You can see both of these applications are working fine without having any problem. And also if I open this web browser, you can see there is a small error on that web browser. I don't know whether it's a problem of the backup file or not. However, here you can see I have already restored a very big size file from using this application called QB 2015 version. You can see here, you can see I have restored this file into this system using this PC transfer application. So with this, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.